The final step to assembling your wood frame is attaching the hanging hardware. Measure and mark about 1/3 of the way down from the top. Then, with a Phillips head screwdriver, attach the hanging loops. Hold the loop in place so it doesn't move around. Repeat these steps on the other side. Wire is not included with frame packages, but you can purchase a 15 or 25-foot roll separately. Cut a piece of wire that is longer than the length of the frame. Next, thread the hanging wire through both loops. Begin twisting the wire to secure it on the first hanging loop. Wrap one end around itself about 7 times. Pull the wire tight and begin looping the other side. Trim any excess wire. To finish, apply the wall protectors on all 4 corners of the frame. Now you can hang your custom picture frame on the wall.